It used to move, but now it's so old, it's rusted on, it won't move no more.
And that one?
Probably.
I can't turn into an old train.
Huh?
I can't turn into an old train.
Turn into a train?
Yeah.
I don't think you could turn into a train.
Get this side.
Ah,
This is where the passengers go in.
that's where the passengers go in?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hi.
Look over there, Law. That's the fish planter. That's what you smell. That's where Nan works.
Where that works?
Yeah,
So far away?
it's over there at that big orange building.
What's in there?
Oh, probably just it's like a little restaurant. It used to be where people could sit and eat. I could see tables.
Yeah. Dad, can I pick me up?
Sure. Ugh.
Yeah, you see tables.
Yeah.
Why drain is a Westerner one in it?
Oh. Once upon a time, people used to eat there.